Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Vivo T3 Lite smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. In this smartphone you can show real-time internet speed in your status bar without downloading any third-party app. Go to your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. Again scroll down and then click on status bar. There you will see the option of show real-time network speed. Simply enable this, then it will start showing internet speed in your status bar. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen. To do that, simply open any app and then put it in recent. Then click on this little arrow and or apps icon. There you will see the option of split screen. Now select the second app you want to use. Now you can see you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. If you want to change the transition effect from switching one page to another on the home screen, you can easily do that. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on home setting. There you will see the option of sliding effect. Now here you can select your favorite one, and after this just come to home screen and it will start showing that transition effect. You can also hide any app in the smartphone, that too without downloading any third-party app. To do that, simply go to your settings, scroll down and then click on privacy. Scroll down and come to the bottom. There you will see the option of app hiding. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password. There are other options for password as well. You can set a 4-digit PIN or pattern or alphanumeric password. Here I select pattern, draw a pattern and then verify your pattern. Now you have to answer 2 security questions and then click on done. Now firstly enable view hidden apps. Now it will show all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my Facebook and my files. Click on confirm. Now to access your hidden apps, you have to come to your home screen and then swipe up by using 2 fingers on the empty area. Now it will ask for that privacy password, and that's how you can access your hidden apps. If you want to monitor and control your screen time, or you are struggling with phone addiction, then next feature will be amazing for you. You have to tap and hold on the home screen and then click on widgets. Scroll down, there you will see the option of digital well-being. Click on this and then click on add widget. Tap and hold on this widget and increase its size. Now you will see it will start showing the time of the app you have used. Tap on this. Now you can also set a timer to the app that you use a lot. For example, I use YouTube a lot and I will set a timer of 30 minutes. After using it for 30 minutes in a day, it will disable this. So you can use this widget to control and monitor your screen time. Just like your desktop or your laptop, you can use any app in a floating window. To enable this, simply open any app, put it in recent and then tap on this apps icon. There you will see the option of open small window. Now you can also adjust the size of this app. You can also drag anywhere. You can keep on using your phone as usual and it will remain in the floating window just like your laptop or your desktop. You can lock any app in this smartphone. To do this, simply go to your settings, scroll down and then click on privacy. Scroll to the bottom. There you will see the option of app encryption. Click on this. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password. If you have done this, then draw that privacy password and then it will show all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to lock. Here I want to lock my Chrome. Now whenever you will open the Chrome app, it will ask for that privacy password, and that's how you can lock any app in the smartphone. If you are using your phone by one hand, then it feels very uncomfortable to open your control panel. But there is a feature by which you can easily open your control panel. To enable this, simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on home settings. There you will see the option of swipe downwards on the home screen. By default, it is selected to global search. You have to select notification center. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down anywhere on the empty screen and it will open your control panel. The next feature is quick action. So whenever your phone is locked and you will long press your volume down button, it will turn on your flashlight. And again, whenever you will long press your volume down button, it will turn off your flashlight. To enable this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Scroll down, there you will see the option of quick action. Firstly, enable quick action. There you have to select turn on or off flashlight. You can also select any other feature or any app you want to set it here. So now whenever your phone is locked and you will long press your volume down button, it will open your flashlight. In this smartphone, if you will long press your power button, it will open the Google Assistant app instead of your power menu. To set it to power menu, simple open your settings and then scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Here you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this. By default, it is selected to launch Google Assistant. Click on enable the power and emergency menu. Now whenever you will long press your power button, it will open the power menu. You can also change a lot of dynamic effects as well. To change it, simply go to your settings and then click on dynamic effects. There you will see charging animation. You can change the charging animation, select your favorite one and then click on apply. Now whenever you will plug in your charger, it will show this animation. You can change the face recognition animation. So whenever this will detect your face and unlock your phone, it will show this specific animation. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. And you can also change the home screen entering animation after unlock. Click on this and then select your favorite one and then click on apply. Now whenever you will unlock your phone, it will show this animation. So these were some dynamic effects. There are multiple ways by which you can click a screenshot in this smartphone. The first one is to swipe down by using your 3 fingers. Click on got it if you are clicking for the first time. Swipe down by using your 3 fingers and it will click a screenshot. The second one is to use your volume down and power button at the same time. Press these 2 buttons. There is an option of screenshot in your control panel as well. There you will see the option of S capture. You can also clone any app or create dual app of any application and use 2 accounts in a single application. So to do this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on apps. There you will see the option of app clone. Click on this, then it will show the apps which are clonable in your smartphone. For example, I want to clone Snapchat. Click on this. It will take few seconds and then it will clone the app. Now you will have 2 Snapchat in your smartphone and you can log in by using 2 different accounts in a single app. There you can see it is showing 2 Snapchat. If you want to change these 3 button navigation and set the gesture navigation, simply open your settings, scroll down and there you will see the option of system on the bottom and then click on system navigation. Now here select gesture navigation. Now your phone's navigation is changed from 3 button to gesture. To go back, simply swipe from left or right. To open recent, simply swipe from the middle bottom and hold for a few seconds. And if you want to come to the home screen, simply swipe up by using on the bottom middle. So you can enable these 2 features to protect your eyes, dark theme and eye protection. So these were some tips and tricks and hidden feature of the smartphone. If you like this video, then let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun.